Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature, Art and Life. Today I have a thrift haul to share with you, so let's get right into it. It seems to be my thing to do with my oldest is to go thrifting on a Saturday. We'll go first thing in the morning before everybody else is out there, and it paid off. So I found these tart tins, and there was a set of 4 for $1. And I love to use these to create like different decor. And then I got a set of 4 of these wood bowls, and these are great to alter and change up. This one's got a little crack in it. Again, set of 4 for $2. And these were Canadian made, and they're all in pretty decent shape. So just the one that's got the crack. So I'm always looking for fun little pieces like this. I like to use wood pieces for storage in my craft room. This was 50 cents. So I got that. I think it would be great to store some glue or some paint. You can even put some tins in there and then store some paintbrushes or markers. That would be really cool. Got this tin, and this, I think I only paid 25 cents for it. You can alter this. Like, I would definitely paint this one. But what's cool about it is that it's got a hinge. So really like that. Great storage for paintbrushes or again some markers. I got this strawberry pie plate for my middle child. I'm trying to collect some things for my kids for when they move out. My mom and my grandma did that for me, and it really helped us save on money, you know, when you first move out. So I thought this was fun. She really likes strawberries, so I got that for her, 75 cents. So I got this letter holder, and I thought that was really cool. I love that it was most of it was all wood. It's just this back panel that's like pressed board, and I got it for $2, and it has a couple of key rings. It's in pretty good shape. I think that this would be great again to use for storage in the craft room, especially if you're working on like a card project or whatnot. So yeah, I think this is a great piece to have. Okay, so this I thought was so fun. It is a brand new Rolodex. Got it for $5. My friend Dawn from C'est La Vie Dawn, I'm gonna link her channel down below so you can go check her out. She got me on to doing memory decks cards. So I thought this would be perfect to start a collection, brand new. I can alter the container, and I've got all these cards to play with. I just thought it was so cool. So I can't wait to start playing around with that. And then maybe I'll be willing to trade. I don't know. We'll see. Like, this is totally new. I know it's similar to ATCs, and I have done those before, and pocket letters. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Okay, and then my find of the day was this single drawer. The compartment itself is solid wood, and then the drawer that you pull out, it is made of press board, but doesn't bother me any. It looks like it might have been like to hold CDs. I'm guessing. I'm not sure. It's got the slats there on the side. It needs a good cleaning, and I'm probably going to paint it, but I think it's going to be excellent for storage. I've got a bunch of trims that I need to put away. I've got them just in a basket right now, and it's driving me nuts. So I'm trying to get my craft room to a more usable state. I just find that right now it's getting there. I've been working on it, but yeah, I just want it to be more user friendly. So that includes getting those trims tucked away properly so I can use them, so I can see what I have. So this drawer is going to be perfect for that. So I had a lot of fun getting out there and thrifting again. I love all these little treasures that I found, and that drawer and the Rolodex. Let me know some of the fun things you've been finding lately at your thrift stores. I want to thank you all so much for being here today. I hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.